change. We've been invited out to a barbecue. We're both going to talk at the same time.
Yeah, barbecue weather.
It is lovely. Can't wait. We've been invited out by Daz and Jan. It's Daz Preston 69. So if you want to watch his YouTube, that's where you need to be clicking on.
A lot of Daz's things are gadgets, isn't it?
Yeah, he loves his gadgets.
Don't live too far away from us. Just checking the sat nav. Don't live too far away from us. So we're going to go there for a few hours. Have a nice talk. We've been at the van this morning, aren't we?
Yeah, busy.
We're busy in the van this morning, so I think we're ready to be waited on. So we'll catch you when we get there.
Yeah, catch you in a bit. There's some umpa-lumpas.
You wouldn't believe you're still near where we live, would you?
No.
It's like a proper
holiday. Yeah,
park.
but it is, isn't it? That's what they use it for.
People do actually stay here.
Yeah.
And camp.
Ooh.
He's coming out anyway, he is, look.
Yeah.
Back you up. Come away.
These humps are awful.
Up and downwards, up and downwards. It's too far away. It works.
We're in.
Let's creep up on them in the electric car.
Not nowhere here.
These humps, people just relaxing, looking at the sunshine.
Lovely.
We'll be doing that when the van's sorted. Just go somewhere middle of nowhere.
Definitely.
Nice bit of a barbecue going. Lovely. Fields everywhere.
It's nice. She's waving.
Friendly lot,
We used to have a wash tub like that, didn't we? We used to have a washer like that when we had the static caravan.
Caravan washing machine. For a bit.
A blue one.
We didn't stay there long, did we? It's down here, isn't it?
No, next one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, is it? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it is. I always get muddled up between this one and that one. Oops. I'm all over the place with the camera.
Don't forget, guys, hit the like, subscribe, notifications.
Give us some hype and a thumbs up.
We nearly forgot that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Right, we'll see you in a minute. So, talk us through what you're doing.
Well, today I'm going to be Chef Daz and I'll be cooking a gourmet meal.
Gourmet or gourmet?
Gourmet meal. On the lovely gas barbecue. Middle.
Under the sun.
Under the sun. And it's nice to see that Nigel's offered to help us when he's stood there.
I'm cameraman and looking after the dog. I'm busy here. Aren't I?
Why don't you just pan round to them, sit on the arse.
Royal wave.
No, yeah, the royal wave, the royal we.
Not out here, then.
Fetch me a stool, look, bless them.
Ah.
And he's show Nigel your muscles.
Your muscles.
Sit down.
Going down there to show me.
Sit down.
A good view. More interested in the sausages. Good old days. Look, he likes the fuss. Must apologise for the music. It's not my choice.
It's gold. Radio gold.
It's not golden in my eyes.
It's not rock crap.
Why you like heavy metal, don't you?
I like my rock music. How nice it is here. So peaceful.
Oh, even better.
How's it going?
We're doing good. We're cooking. We're cooking on gas, literally. All uniformed and burnt to a crisp.
Tell us about what a good tip is on a gas barbecue.
A good tip, I'll tell you, if you've got a griddle, what I'd suggest is always keep scraping it and get rid of the rubbish. So you've not got all the rubbish on burning and smelling. And
It still smells nice.
that's me, it's not the burger. That's me. I've got, what's it called? Dossier aftershave.
Dossier,
Dossier, yeah.
not HP.
Well, what Nigel's going to do is going to put a link in the description for Dossier's perfumes and aftershaves on his video. It's good. It's good perfume. Sell him, yeah, yeah, sell them in boots. And the one I've got now is MJ. Hang on. Oh, what's it called? Machine Gun Kelly. So MGK. Machine Gun Kelly. That's how I can remember it. And it's based on tobacco.
Oh wow.
I know it sounds stupid,
Yeah.
but it does smell nice.
There's quite a lot of aftertaste, isn't there? That's tobacco.
It makes sense, doesn't it?
Makes sense.
Sense.
Yeah, it makes
Stops you
sense.
smoking.
Yeah.
But no,
So what you have to shave on, you smell like you've had 20 Benson and Hedges.
you know what? I think it's 39 quid a bottle. But it does smell nice.
Yeah,
It does
we're
really
not
smell
paying
nice.
for it,
Yeah.
then.
Right, Jumbo. Where's she gone?
Sorted.
Typical lady. Oh, she's not. She's
You
here.
can't say that. She's here.
Whenever you want, just get. Have you got any plate? Oh yeah.
We're all starving here, aren't we?
Yeah. So now, on my next one, my next batch of food, I'm going to be doing smoked barbecue pork loin sizzling
lovely.
steaks. So that's what's going on next. The only problem is when you're cooking these and you cook them on a griddle, is basically it takes that sauce off in my eyes. Whatever, come.
Yeah. Our barbecue was electric.
This is gas.
Whenever our barbecue comes out, it squints. It's always in that box, isn't it?
There it is, yeah. Yeah, there's another one there.
Thank you. Three things to do for you. I've had to pick that tray up.
We have taken little charcoal barbecues, haven't we? Because a lot of campsites do allow them. Some
Yeah,
places.
some people do let you have them.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like, I once minded the, you know, the Ninja, where you put the pellets in
Yeah.
with that smoke. I
Yeah,
like them.
Yeah.
But is it a gimmick?
Well, I don't know. I've never known anybody that's had one, so we can't be that popular because I've never had
Well,
anybody say.
Jan's mate's got one.
Oh, have they?
Yeah, she loves it.
Oh, it's
But I've never tried it. But
no.
is it a gimmick or not?
I don't know.
It's like me, I pick some gadgets up and that's it, but it's a gimmick.
Yeah, that's it. Well, we bought this one, this electric barbecue, because if it starts raining, good old British weather, you pick it up and take it inside.
Yeah,
Do you like gadgets, Daz?
I love my gadgets, as you know.
Yes. He's got a gadget for his gadgets.
And a gadget for that gadget.
And the gadget to put his gadgets in to keep them nice and safe.
Yeah, yeah.
I love a gadget.
Yeah, you're a big gadget, you know.
Oh, we've got jacket potatoes. There's only 4 of us. And Ace. Oh, it looks lovely. Look at that feast.
We're not eating that.
This is only the first course as well.
Yeah, we've got pudding as well.
Oh, yeah.
Stuck with them pork chops to go on as well.
Lovely.
Kebabs as well.
Beautiful. Can't
Get
see
stuck
the
in.
sun. I know.
Walking the dinner off.
Yeah, walking our dinner off.
A lovely day.
Now, on here, there's quite a few, which is for fishing here. It's ideal for the lake.
Right.
You see a lot of fishing people come here. And believe it or not, the most that's ever been caught on here was by a friend of ours called Ian. 110 fish in a day
Come on, heck. That little.
in that pond. And believe it or not as well, somebody decided to dump some goldfish in there. And
What's that, love?
it was like bright orange goldfish and everything in there.
Let's stand on this pen for a second. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this. How lovely.
See a fish bite. You get somebody pick a fish up within a few minutes. Yeah. Yeah, 110 fish he got on here.
110 fish in a day.
I know it sounds over exaggerated, but it was. I caught 27 in a day. It was like 5 hours, 27 fish. I don't like fishing, to be honest. I did a bit of it.
I did a bit.
I don't mind.
It's a
It
caravan
relaxes
park.
you. It does relax you, but
Fish jump in there.
yeah.
Oh, has he got one? Nah, it's caught a maggot.
What's a fish on here? It's £5 a day.
Well, even if you live here.
If you, no, well, yeah, even if you live here. But
No, I mean if you stay here.
Yeah, if you stay here. No, I mean like people live on here. It's basically it's free, basically.
He's just using bread over there.
Yeah,
Isn't
that's what I was using on here. It's bread.
that it?
Yeah, bread. Is it what bread is it, Jan? Do you use? What bread do you use on here? It
Warburton's.
won't take anything else but Warby's.
It's got to be Warburton.
Posh fish. I think we ought to slow down. 5 mile an hour limit here, look.
We're going for speeding.
No, on here. I think it was 26 horses, most we've seen on here.
Wow.
26 horses.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
All at the top of the hill.
Yeah, see little falls up here. Fall right at the top, you won't see it on camera, but there's falls up there.
The size of that lodge.
It's like in the ice, like a palace. So it's absolutely beautiful.
It's beautiful, that lodge is. Look how wide it is as well.
Yeah. Well, that other one behind it is exactly the same. One just spoke to a man. Well, yeah, no, if windows tinted, probably go on.
Yeah, yeah.
That fella to him. Same as this one here, she had it tinted.
You could be anywhere right now, walking around here. Anywhere in the UK. So this one's for sale. This one we've just been in. Nice, isn't it? Good room you get for parking.
You're looking at three cars easy.
Yeah. Possibly 4 if you go all the way back
Yeah.
down there. Not that we've got 4 cars.
What a lot of people do is put another post in from here, put one here, and then either fence all the way down, and put a gate on here,
Mm.
or look, you can come further back about here. And you can still have a fence on. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, just put a fence along there,
Yeah.
and then nice place for dogs to go.
Yeah.
Well, you'd be checking them on that glass anyway, wouldn't you?
Some sort of
low maintenance garden.
Yeah. There's no maintenance on this.
Exactly. That's what I mean.
Nothing at all.
Is it 41 with 13 bed? Got 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms.
41 with 13 with 2 bedrooms.
That'd be big enough for you, though.
You gotta think it's...
Well,
That's it, guys.
what a lovely day.
Lovely weather, lovely barbecue, lovely people.
Company.
Yeah.
It's been amazing.
Yeah, so it's just what we get up to when we're not doing the van at the weekends. Every now and again we pop and see Daz and Jan, have a nice time with them wherever we go for a meal or come round to theirs. At the moment they can't really come to ours because our house is a tip, it's just a workshop while we do the van. It's nice to see them again, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's lovely. It's nice every time we see them.
Speed bumps.
Speed bumps. Not me. Is he gonna do it? Can he hear you? No,
Where's the button?
I don't know. I've no idea.
Can't get out.
I'll stop it.
Is there a button? So what we're going to do now, we're going to say goodbye. Just to like and subscribe. Hit the notifications.
Peeled me off roof. Give us some hype and a thumbs up.
If you don't mind. Definitely subscribe because it's free. Absolute bargain.
Yep.
Thanks guys, hope you have a good week. We'll catch you on the next one.
See you again.